Hey Ryan, it's Shaelee with Midtown Marketing. I have your website pulled up here so that we can go through your online presence. And looking through your website, you have a good looking site. This form here will help with your conversions. One thing that I would recommend is adding some more content to your homepage. Google has crawlers and they are crawling the internet 24/7. So they are seeing what content you have on here, what your photos are saved as, looking for what keywords are on your site. And you want at least 1,500 words on your homepage to be considered an authority with Google. And then you want those keywords embedded throughout. So let's take a look at an example of a keyword, foundation repair Dallas. And when your customers are searching this here, the first thing that's popping up are some ads. But if we scroll down, this is the Google Map Pack section, and 30 to 40% of business goes into this section here. And you want to be ranking in the top 3 because they get a lot of that 30 to 40%. The way that you outrank these other businesses is you have a Google business profile that has more citations, which is your business name, phone number, and address, and other places like Yelp. And then you want a good amount of reviews as well as geotagged photos. And if we scroll down here, this is the organic listing. So the remainder of the 60 to 70% of business goes into the organic listing here. And so this is where your website would be ranking. And it's important to be on this first page here because 90% of people stay on the first page. So let's take a look at this #1 ranking website for this keyword. If we go through brown foundation repair, they have some good call to actions. It'd be really easy to outdo them with the content. So let's take a look at the back end of each website. So I have brown foundation repair plugged into Ahrefs. We're going to look at ratings pulled from Google data. UR and DR. This is the trustworthiness and the authority of a website. They have 36 and 6. And what's making up these ratings here are the 2.15 thousand backlinks that they have. And those are coming from 204 referring domains. And what a backlink is it is one website linking to another, like a shout out. And it is important to know that there are high quality backlinks that will boost these numbers, as well as spammy ones that will bring them down. So you do want to be intentional whenever you're picking backlinks. And then Brown Foundation Repair has 532 keywords on their website. And let's take a look at yours. I have your website plugged in here. You will have 29 and 19 coming from your 1.12 thousand backlinks from 148 referring domains, and you'll have 51 keywords on your website. And so what you'd want to do is boost these numbers higher than your competitors. The way to do that would be to get those high quality backlinks. And then you want to make sure that you have buyer intent keywords on your website. And so one way to get high quality links is called the copycat method. You would go into these backlinks that Brown Foundation Repair has linked to their site, and you would link them to your website as well, because if it's working for them, it would work for you. And let's take a look at some of their keywords. Foundation Repair Dallas, 1,000 people are searching for this every single month. 100, 150, 100. And so this list just keeps going. So in order for you to get some of this traffic for yourself, you would want that Google business profile ranking, so add more citations there, as well as getting your website to rank. And so that would be boosting those ratings for your trustworthiness and your authority with those high quality backlinks. And then you would want to add some more content and buyer intent keywords to your website so that you are being found. And I hope that this quick overview was valuable for you. I would love to know your feedback and to know if it was helpful for you. So if you'll give me a call letting me know if it was helpful, and I'll let you know the joke of the day. Thanks for watching.